Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Grant County in central Indiana, northern Blackford County in east central Indiana, southwestern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Jay County in east central Indiana, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Van Buren, or 8 miles north of Hartford City, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montpelier, Roll, Keystone, and Dillman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Grant, Jay, and Wells. This is NOAA weather.